to our Head & Shoulders shampoo factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Head & Shoulders shampoo is made.
Documents check out. Proceed to the receiving bay.
Sprinklers. Large stainless steel tanks store surfactants, the primary cleansing agents for Head & Shoulders shampoo.
Appearance. Sodium chloride and polymer thickeners give Head & Shoulders shampoo its ideal viscosity and texture.
The purified water system produces pharmaceutical-grade water for Head & Shoulders shampoo, the primary ingredient by volume.
In the Head & Shoulders Quality Control Laboratory, technicians test samples from every incoming ingredient shipment.
Loose. Before each Head & Shoulders shampoo batch, mixing vessels undergo thorough preparation. Workers verify primary surfactants are pumped into the mixing vessel, blending with the water base for Head & Shoulders shampoo. These cleansing agents will provide effective cleaning action.
Zinc pyrithione, the active anti-dandruff ingredient, is precisely added to the Head & Shoulders shampoo mixture.
Conditioning agents are added to the Head & Shoulders shampoo mixture. Silicones and conditioning polymers are incorporated to provide hair smoothing benefits. High-speed agitators thoroughly blend all Head & Shoulders shampoo ingredients. Powerful mixing blades create uniform distribution.
The distinctive Head & Shoulders fragrance is added to the shampoo mixture. Measured quantities of concentrated Head & Shoulders fragrance oil are incorporated.
Colorants are added to give Head & Shoulders shampoo its distinctive appearance. The pH of Head & Shoulders shampoo is carefully adjusted to optimal levels for hair and scalp.
Preservatives are added to ensure Head & Shoulders shampoo remains safe and stable throughout its shelf life.
Comprehensive testing confirms the Head & Shoulders shampoo batch meets all specifications.
Consumers receive exactly the quantity stated on every Head & Shoulders shampoo bottle.
Induction sealers create tamper-evident inner seals. Electromagnetic energy heats foil liners inside caps, bonding them to bottle openings.
Every filled Head & Shoulders shampoo bottle passes through sensitive metal detectors. The system detects any metallic contamination.
The Head & Shoulders bottles, precisely measured, capped, and sealed, now await their iconic labels.
Back labels containing usage instructions, ingredients, and regulatory information are applied to Head & Shoulders shampoo bottles.
Cases are weighed to ensure the correct number of bottles. Underweight cases are rejected.
This is the Head & Shoulders Central Quality Laboratory, a world-class testing facility where science ensures excellence in every bottle.
Microbiological testing ensures Head & Shoulders shampoo is free from harmful microorganisms. Samples are tested for bacteria, yeast, and mold.
Testing verifies Head & Shoulders shampoo bottle and cap performance.
Regulatory specialists ensure Head & Shoulders shampoo meets global standards, verifying ingredients and labeling for each market.
Regional distribution centers receive Head & Shoulders shampoo bottles from manufacturing facilities. Inventory organized.
From raw materials to dandruff-free hair, Head & Shoulders shampoo represents quality at every step.